Hi guys, it's Ben Heath from Lead Guru, and in this video I want to talk about lifetime budgets versus daily budgets when it comes to your Facebook ads. Which one of those should you use? Now, when most people start advertising on Facebook, they start using lifetime budgets. It's what is the automatic option when you boost a post from your page, and they sort of get familiar with them and they carry on using lifetime budgets. And I think lifetime budgets also gives people peace of mind that there's an end date. They're not just going to keep spending forever, so they go with lifetime budgets. But from the testing that I would usually recommend that you actually stick to daily budgets instead of lifetime budgets. There's a couple of reasons why. The first, and you may have noticed this, is that when you run a Facebook ad campaign with a lifetime budget, let's say you run that campaign for 7 days. For the last day, maybe day and a half, I don't know why this happens, of a lifetime budget with your Facebook ads, Facebook just seems to eat that last part of your budget. I don't know why, it doesn't make any sense. You could be getting a good cost per purchase, a good cost per lead, or whatever it is that you're optimizing for before that. Everything's working really well. And then that last day, you just basically get no results, your budget still gets spent, and that's obviously not ideal. That's not what we want as Facebook advertisers. That's something I would recommend trying to avoid. That's the first reason. The second reason is that when you're using lifetime budgets, you haven't got consistent ad delivery in the same campaign. So if you know much about Facebook advertising, you'll know that Facebook does a fantastic job of optimizing your campaigns based on the data that they produce. So let's say, for example, you're advertising for 3 months and you've generated 1,000 purchases over that period of that 3 months. Facebook will have a lot of data on which type of person is likely to be purchased, what type of day they're likely to purchase, which placement options are likely to deliver the best results in terms of generating purchases for you. So Facebook's got a huge amount of data once your campaign's been running. If you're using lifetime budgets, you're not letting, and you're sort of creating new campaigns and then going again, you're not letting Facebook optimize fully. They can't take all that learning and keep applying it to the same campaign. Whereas if you use daily budgets, you can run a campaign for 6 months, 12 months, maybe even a couple of years, the exact same campaign. Obviously, you might want to make adjustments, things like refreshing ad creative, etc., etc. I'll include a link in the video description, shows you how to combat ad fatigue, because that's something you'll have to worry about if you run a campaign for too long. But the point is that with a daily budget, you can benefit from all that learning, all that optimization, and I see campaigns in general perform better using daily budgets as a result. So that's, if you're struggling to work out which one should I go with between the two, that's what I'd recommend. Now, before you go, something I'll quickly mention, which is my Facebook Ads Mastermind group. It's my free Facebook group. It's a fantastic community. We've got over 10,000 members in there, all Facebook advertisers, business owners, entrepreneurs, a lot of Facebook ads agency owners, all looking to get better results from Facebook advertising. People post questions, they post ads for review, and they nearly always get a response. People are really willing to step in and help out. Fantastic community. There will be a link in the video description. Click on that, go ahead and join. We would love to have you. If you found this video useful, comment below to let me know, and of course, if you've got any questions, pop them in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the thumbs up, that would be much appreciated, and of course, subscribe to my channel for more Facebook advertising related content. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.